No, shorty, no, it ain't your birthday. And it ain't like I care about your birthday. No, shorty, no, it ain't your birthday. And don't you know that you just topped my list of worst days? You want me to buy you flowers, give you all my hours, take you out, tuck you in and scrub your back in the shower, to pay the bill, maybe buy another flower while you're sitting on your ass with a magazine smoking cigarettes. How can I be your husband when you treat me like a stepson? Stop listening to Megan Trainor, yeah, that fat cunt. You all about the bass, girl, I'm cranking up the treble, trying to treat me like a slave. Watch me turn the damn table round. Dear future wifey, here's just one thing you need to learn if you wanna be my main chick for the rest of your life. I got this. Oh yeah. Dear future wifey, don't be a bitch just cause you can, girl. You ain't the only one that got some on the side. I'll be licking it, dipping it, keep it up all night. And still be bitching and crippin' like you ain't satisfied. Won't even tell me why you ain't replying. Fine, I'm wildin' out with the boys. I know. Denying things is something that you highly qualified in. But if you ain't right, you ain't right. I ain't apologizing. I like to see you try to find another boy like me. In fact, I leave you high and dry just like my toilet seat. Dear future wifey, here's just one thing you need to learn if you wanna be my main chick for the rest of your life. I got this. Oh yeah. Dear future wifey, don't be a bitch just cause you can, girl. You ain't the only one that got some on the side. Yeah.